to get to a breaking update now. We're just getting out in Hawaii from Maui. The governor there in just the last couple of minutes saying that 66 people are still unaccounted for. That is down from 385 people. That is significant now. Significant. 1 month to the day after those devastating, deadly wildfires incinerated the historic town of Lahaina. Remember, at its height, something like 3,000 people were believed to be missing. So now here we are a month later. That number is 66. We know that more than 100 people have been killed in these just horrific fires. More information is coming into us tonight. We're, of course, going to keep you posted as this develops.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.